this program?
Eye-opener. That was so wonderful. Meeting all the people and the experience to be on the stage was, oh my God, it was mind-blowing. I just wanted to dance and sing over there. And the atmosphere
How do you feel about our school, NCFE?
definitely is really coming up, and there's so many vibes about it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So how did you feel about this program, Amma?
Yes, really, it's a very enjoyable program. Really, I'm hopeful. It's very enjoying, very good. Really super nice.
How do you feel about NCFE?
It's really very good, very nice, very excellent.